Joe.
Today was good.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Jojo's getting ready for school. Oh, yeah. Grade 2, here he comes. All right, Joe?
Okay.
Are you excited? Yeah.
I do a bad job on it. When I take the pink milk.
Blessing.
What's it in honor?
Is there enough milk?
I don't think so.
No? Okay, let's get one from the fridge.
The gallon of the milk.
You don't need a lot of this in it because this is very sweet and the frosted flake is sweet too. Okay. Where's your spoon?
If you don't mix it, it will just be white forever.
So mix it up.
But when you see something coming up, it's the pink milk.
Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
Oh, I just saw something there. It's like the pink.
No, keep your spoon, please. Put it in the microwave, Joe.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, it makes a pink milk. Milky milk.
Just 30 seconds, maybe. Okay, so whenever Josiah is going to have cereal for breakfast, I do encourage him to make it himself just to gain a little bit of independence. Because other times when I'm like making eggs for breakfast, he's not old enough to use the stove yet, but he can use the microwave. So this is just like a good way to prep them into becoming independent and helping and doing things for themselves. Blessing is making a lot of fuss. You want to have breakfast with your brother, Blessing? Yeah? Blessing, you going to have breakfast with Jojo? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, no more crying, okay? No more crying. Okay, are you guys almost finished your breakfast? Come on, Joe, hurry up. Oh, Blessing, are you tired?
This is my first day on school.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Let's get dressed.
You're just super excited, Joe, I think, for your first day.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
I just use this. Wait, flip over fast.
Oh, yeah, Joe. Looking good. Get your shoes. Get your shoes.
Like a president, though.
A president, really? Well, that's good.
Tell me, do I look like a president?
Oh, yeah. You're looking very fine. Handsome boy. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, Joe. Looking good, Josiah. Let's button your shirt up.
But.
Prepare for total domination.
You know what that means?
Wow. Did you relax now, Joe? You don't want to? You're here for look nice and neat. I got scoop on first day.
Mommy, that's great. That's great.
That's great.
I look like the same haircut from Daddy, yo.
Yeah, you can put your snack in your bag.
Here, it's like a back.
No, inside. No, not there, so.
I'm gonna put something there.
Okay, pack up your bag. You can put it in now. Alright, put the rest, put the rest of the stuff there. God bless you now. What is it? Are you going to school? What is it? It's not your turn. Jojo's getting ready to go. Yeah. All set.
And I can hold it.
Yeah. Let me see. Hold it up. Okay, Jojo. Jojo is all ready.
Wait, what about my sweater?
Jojo is ready to go to school. I'm driving. I know. I'm driving him now to school. He won't take the school bus today, but then tomorrow he can go on the school bus, right, Joe? Watch out for the cars, Joe. Come across, Joe. Mickey, come across, baby. Joe, you're going into grade 2 now, eh? Yeah, you're a big boy.
Bigger and bigger. The more kids I play.
Yeah. Okay. I said I'm gonna go now because you found your class and you're okay. I love you. Have a great day.
Okay.